Benefits of yoga for kids and parents. Although kids are still at a tender age, kids are also faced with stress in a different setting than what adults experience. Yoga is a perfect way to keep your kids in tip-top shape, plus it also allows them to relax and let out the pressure and other stress-causing factors that they deal with. Yoga involves stretching of the body and doing different yoga poses while keeping a breathing technique that is controlled and slow. With the breathing technique that yoga entails, the body becomes more relaxed yet energized as well. Yoga actually has different forms, as there are yoga poses that require a quick transition to the next pose like aerobics, while there are those that require a person to relax deeply in a specific pose. Benefits of yoga for kids. Yoga helps a child improve on his or her concentration and focus. Yoga is excellent for the mind and body's health. It promotes coordination, strength, balance, and flexibility, develops creativity and imagination, helps a child learn to stay calm, helps cope with stress and regulate emotions. Yoga helps build confidence and self-esteem, helps a child expand his or her awareness. Benefits that parents get from their kids doing yoga. Kids doing yoga aren't the only ones who can reap its benefits, but the parents as well. Here are some of which. Helps improve parent and child bonding. Because yoga relaxes a child or a baby, it helps moms and even dads sleep well, reduces stress levels for both parents and child, and helps instill parental confidence. Until the next video, thank you for watching.